once you finish college, there's a lot of things we learn in our classes that, for the most part, we're not gonna remember. That's why a lot of people who graduate, they save their notes. So if they get a new job where they need to look back at certain things, they can do that. But now with ChatGPT, you don't necessarily need to do that. If you, let's say I go to a sector for engineering and they require something from electromagnetics, I can ask ChatGPT, list me the top 25 foundational things that I need to know about electromagnetics. And just by me reading those, I can ask him for all the formula. I'm saying him, personification. But I can ask the AI to give me all the formulas needed. And hopefully, because electromagnetic is still fairly new, but they have it backed up all the way to what? 2021? Right. Yeah, so all that information is stored in there. So it saves a lot of time. And he brought up a good point because I'm still freshly new with Python. In electrical engineering, we don't spend a lot of time coding in our classes, so I have to do it outside of it. But after finishing beginners lessons, I get it. I kind of have a gist of how certain code, the arrangement, because coding is all about if you can know how to plug and play, makes life easier. So in that case, if I wanted to code something in Python, I can start the introduction, or I can ask ChatGPT, what's the best way to approach this code? And it could probably theoretically give me a good way to follow, right?
Right. So, and that's interesting too, because especially people who don't code on a daily basis, or people who have like a basic understanding of it, these people they don't need to do complex products, right? We don't need to build the Amazons.
Yeah.
Right? They just need something for a very specific purpose that can be done quickly, right? So if you're a beginner in coding, instead of you wasting time trying to go and becoming a quote unquote expert, you can just ask ChatGPT and it'll produce you code, and the little knowledge you can figure out and troubleshoot. Okay, I can fix this, I can fix that here, right? So because you don't really need to be a top tier programmer, you just need to know, at least basically understand what it's telling you and how to fix it. That's it.
Okay.
So even like you're an electrical engineer, so you might come to a point where, I need to create like a code for a circuit, whatever, but you don't need to be an expert. You just need to ask ChatGPT, hey, how do I make this?
All right, that's actually a very good point.